Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to glam up a dining chair. These are the chairs I will be working with. First I unscrew the seat and now I'm outlining the shape of the seat with 2-inch foam. Once I cut out the foam, I will be attaching the foam to the seat using this glue. I'll be using the fiber sheet on top of the foam to help the fabric stick. I chose to use this velvet fabric because I love the purple. I'll be leaving extra fabric so I can staple it down on the bottom. My best friend and my son helped me staple down the fabric. I didn't staple the corners until the end. So now I'm going to cut the extra fabric and staple the corners down. I cut out the cardboard for the back of the chair to close the gaps. Then I use thin plywood to cover the front and I will be stapling it down. I put the seat on the chair to measure how much foam I need for the top. I used 1-inch foam and I left extra foam on the sides and the top. The extra foam gives the sides a round shape. Now I'll be adding the cardboard that I cut out. I also added the foam in the back. I used fiber sheet on the top as well. Now I will be marking the areas where I will be adding the diamond. Now I'm stapling down the area I marked. I'm going to cut the extra fabric and leave some extra on the sides and top. Now I'm going to staple the sides and top and do the corners at the end. I cut the fabric for the back. I flipped the fabric and stapled it from the top. Now I flipped the fabric over and folded the fabric from the sides and stapled it. I ordered these diamonds from Amazon. Before hammering down the diamonds, I put fabric on the top to prevent damage. Now I'm going to put the seat back on. I use this rope to cover the staples. These are the glues I use to attach the rope. I taped down the rope before I cut it. I also decided to spray paint the legs gold. Now I'm using small nails to skewer the rope further. I found this gold lace from Hobby Lobby and I will be using it to cover the staples at the bottom. I used E6000 to skewer it. I used gray lace to cover up the corners. And this is the final result. I did the same for all my chairs, making 2 of them gray. So this is the final look. If you would like to know how I glammed up my table, stay tuned.